everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Irma. Everybody calls me Irmita, so you can too. If this is the second, third, or fourth time you're back, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I created this beautiful, elegant look using the Cremated palette. I have it right here. If you want to know what I did to achieve this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe though. Okay, let's get to it. So starting off this video, the only thing I have on my face is my eyebrows done. I do have a little bit of concealer because girl, I did not sleep at all and you guys don't want to be scared. Trust me. So I'm going to take
Sharp shape tape.
shape tape and light, and I'm going to take my Morphe brush. I'm going to apply, blend it all out, and then I'm going to set that with translucent powder, and I'm going to use this brush from L.O.V.E. I do have a tutorial on my channel on how to tint and groom your eyebrows, guys. If you are interested, I will leave the link around here, so go and check it out. As you can see, concealer cancels out any other color I have on my lid. That's why I like to use concealer. Taking the Cremated palette and my Morphe M505, I'm going to start with the color Less Respects, which is this one right here, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Now taking this brush, it does not have a name. I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in further. This brush makes an appearance on almost all of my tutorials, guys. This brush was gifted to me more than 10 years ago, and you don't know how much I take care of it. I'm going to go back in the palette, and I'm gonna take the Morgue on a brush like this, and I'm going to apply it on top of the first color that I placed. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with this brush. For all those people that have the Cremated palette, do not be scared to use these colors. I know some of them are really dark, but if you work with them very lightly and softly, trust me, you can achieve any kind of color you want. You could achieve something really light and soft. You can achieve something really dark. Now taking this brush, I'm going to go ahead and use the color Casket Ready, which is this one, and I'm going to apply this on my brow bone. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this brush again, the Morphe M505, and I'm going to blend this all together. If there's something you guys can take away from this tutorial, is to blend like there's no tomorrow. I know I say that a lot in my videos, but it's really true. There's nothing better than a blended out look. Even if you take longer than when you expected, trust me, it'll look beautiful. I do want you guys to keep in mind that all the tutorials I do on my page or on my channel are tutorials that are going to make you look amazing in person. I'm more of making tutorials and showing you guys the techniques I use to look really good in person instead of in videos. I know sometimes when people make videos on YouTube, they go a little bit heavier with everything. I want to show you guys exactly what I do every single time I do my makeup that is going to look really good in person. And when I tell you that it looks really good in person, I swear by it. I always have people coming up to me and telling me, oh, your makeup looks really good and stuff. And I don't want that to make me sound conceited because that's not the case. I just want to give you the tips and tricks that help me to look great in person.
So the next step is for you to go, like, and subscribe.
And now going back to the palette, I'm going to use this tone right here. I will not be pronouncing that name because I have no idea how to do it. I will put it up on the screen. I am going to use my ring finger because, as you guys know, or you might not know, your ring finger is the one that has the less pressure of your whole hand. So I do want to go ahead and be careful with my eyes. Whoa, look at that color. So don't worry guys, this step does not have to be perfect. You could put it on as messy as you want. If you do have creasing on your eye, the shadow will start working its way up. So how is everybody doing today? I hope you're doing well. Sending positive vibes to everybody. Like I always say, I hope something amazing happens to you today. I hope something positive happens. For example, for me, I just had a chat with my sister and it was so motivational. To me, that was the best thing that's happened to me so far. And it's not even 12 p.m. So to me, little things like that matter the most. I did also want to go ahead and say thank you to everybody that has been subscribing to my channel, has been watching my videos, liking, commenting. It really means a lot. It feels so amazing to talk to you guys, to interact with you, and then just to see that little by little we are growing. Thankful for everybody that's on this journey with me. You know, good things take time. And without you guys, I wouldn't be here. So I want to thank you guys. Now taking the palette again, I'm going to go into that shade the Morgue and I'm going to place this on my crease so it could be more defined. So guys, if you guys are beginners and you see yourself and you're like, this looks bad, this doesn't look good, why doesn't this come out like how I have it or any other YouTuber you watch, keep in mind that people have a lot of experience. You don't jump from one day to another and bam, you're a makeup artist. You know, you take your time. So don't feel discouraged. I feel like anybody can achieve these looks. You just gotta practice, that's all. I'm going to take the color Diamond Ashes and I'm going to apply it to the center of my lid so it attracts more light. You can go ahead and blend if you feel like there's a harsh line. So now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some mascara. The mascara I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm going to apply around 2 to 3 coats. I always get scared of the lash curlers, guys. One time when I was small, I did it on myself because I would see my mom doing it all the time and tell me why I grabbed my skin. And it was not fun. After that, I never used them again until about recently. That's only when I use false lashes, which I don't use a lot, to be honest. I love my natural lashes. I will be creating looks with just natural lashes for all those people that don't like to wear falsies. Don't worry guys, I have a lot of videos planned out. And I know you guys are going to love the content. The lashes I'm going to be using today are the Kiss L'Extension Lash Collection in the style Royal Silk, and I'm going to use the dual adhesive in dark. I'm going to go ahead off camera and do my foundation, my contour, my blush, and come back and finish my under eye. I am back. I have my face done. Looks pretty cute, I must admit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the bottom part of my eyes. I'm gonna use a Morphe M62 and I'm gonna start off mixing the color Last Respects and the color The Morgue, and I'm going to apply this on the outer part and working about halfway in. I am in the search for a new concealer, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys like. My concealer sucks today because I did not get enough sleep last night. I only slept like about 3 hours. I know, it's a little crazy. Now taking an Anastasia brush, I'm going to take this little part right here and I'm going to dip in to Diamond Ashes, which is this one right here. Super glittery, metallic shade. And I'm going to apply this on this part right here. Now taking Diamond Ashes again, I'm going to take any part of the Anastasia brush. I'm going to apply this on my inner corner. So since I do want this look to be a little bit more sultry, I'm going to apply a black eyeliner in my inner rim. The one I'm going to be using is from LA Colors. I'm going to take a brush like this. This is from Essence. This is the eyebrow brush. I'm going to go ahead and blend this eyeliner that I just placed a bit downwards. I'm going to take the Morphe M506 and I'm going to blend this all together. So the last thing for the under eyes, I'm going to apply some mascara, the same I applied on the top. For lip gloss, lipstick, I like to pair a lot of cool tones with pink. The one I'm going to be using today is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's in the color Blush Pink. And this is the final look, guys. What do you think? I think it came out beautiful. I feel like this look is really elegant. I love how the lip and the eyes played out. They look really good together. They complement each other really good. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me use any other colors. I will love to make more looks with this. And that is it for today. Like I said, I hope something amazing happens to you today. Stay positive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment. Oh my god. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see any other looks with the Cremated palette, let me know. I really like this palette. I would love to create more looks with it. And if you guys want them, I'll make them for sure. Don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to tell yourself how beautiful you are, because you are. Don't forget it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.